In this session, I will explain how to design your document by applying different format settings. That too, they are predefined themes and predefined styles and predefined set of colors and fonts and paragraph spacings and effects. All these are predefined. Of course, already you set up some formatting styles using previous sessions, but these are predefined set of styles. So you can simply select the particular style and you can apply either by through theme or by using different styles like this and different set of colors or fonts or even paragraph spacing and objects effects also. For that, I am going to open or create new document based on already existed some templates, predefined templates. Suppose I am selecting more templates. So in this, suppose I am selecting bold modern resume. Why I am selecting means it is having different parts. It is having one photo and different areas of the document. See, for this I am going to design tab and apply themes. So what is a theme? See, pick a theme to give your document instant style and just right personality. So instantly there are predefined set of themes. See the document. When you moving your mouse at a particular theme, automatically the corresponding colors and adjustments are coming. You can select a particular theme and apply that theme to your document. Finally, click OK. And you can also adjust number of formatting styles. And if you don't want this theme means, if you want to reset back, here option is available, reset to original theme. So this is the theme. Basically, when you insert the document, when you inserted the document at very beginning, and I am going to apply different styles. See, there are different styles available. You can select the styles. Automatically the entire document will get effect according to the style. See, the entire content came down as per the style, and if you select, if you don't want all these styles means, finally you click on this down arrow bottom and you can also reset here. So the original document as it is will come. And if you want to apply more styles, see, we have more styles here. Okay, and come down. Like this. And if you want to apply set of colors, predefined set of colors, see, automatically color alone will change and the text adjustments and all will not change, only color alone will change. You can select a particular color. Accordingly, it will sets the entire colors to your document. And if you want to apply only fonts, not the colors, then see, there are different set of fonts you can apply to the entire document at a time, like this. And you can customize the fonts also. And we have paragraph spacing, predefined set of paragraph spacing. See, this also predefined, very tight, compact, and no paragraph space, that is default one. And open. Open means clearly a gap between the content, and very gap, double gap. And if you select the first one, it will be look like this. Okay, and we have effects option. Effects option, see, quickly change the general look of objects in your document. But what objects we have? Just we have only one picture. Just try to select that one. Picture is not getting effect. And I am going to insert one object. Insert. I am going to insert a shape. Suppose I am going to insert this particular shape. See, if you select design and effects option, according to the effect predefined style, automatically that object will get affected. Suppose glossy. So that is one predefined style. Like this, we can select already predefined colors, fonts, styles and themes to your document. Finally, if you want these styles for any new document, and you set as default. See, use this look for all new documents. But this is you should not select this one. Why? Because every document will get affect the same styles. So you may confuse. You don't apply this one. If you want same set of adjustments to every document, any document, then only you have to select this one. Okay. Otherwise, you should not select this one. Right?